Hello, roller skaters. Today I'm in the kitchen doing a roller dance or jam skate routine, whatever you want to call it, that you can learn anywhere. Any space at all, you can learn this. So I'm going to show it first to the beat of a song, and then I'll try to break it down. So Kevin, can you play my song?
All right.
All right. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a routine that is fun because you kind of get you moving all sorts of different little ways, and it's just fluid to the nice 4/4 kind of rhythm like that. But I'm going to try to break it down piece by piece. What I encourage you to do is learn each piece at a time, get comfortable with each piece, then add on the next piece, and then practice them in sequence so that you become more fluid gradually rather than trying to do it all at once and overwhelm. It's easier to learn in little pieces. So pause as much as you need to. But step one, your feet are about hips width apart. Knees, kind of try to keep that bouncy, soft knees with roller dance, jam skating sort of thing. We're going to push on our right heel, wheels, to the right, bending the left knee. And then you're going to pull your right foot behind you as you slide your left foot open across. So it's like pulling your heel across. And then you're going to turn to the left. So basically you're going to push the right heel out, pull the left foot in front, 180 turn to the left. We're going to do it again. Push the right heel out, pull the left foot in front, and turn. So you're kind of like crossing yourself up so it makes it the turning like automatic, like you kind of wind up. So you're pushing the right foot out, pull the left heel across, turn to the left, 180. Push the right heel out, pull the left heel across over to the right, turn left 180. The count on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So repeat that as much as you need to. Get comfortable with it to the beat of that kind of nice, even, slow beat like what we had. Then, next move, fairly straightforward. It's like a kickball change, I guess you'd say. You're going to kick forward with your left foot, step out right, and then do the same thing on the other side. Kick the right foot forward, step out left. All right? Then you're set up to kind of, I have my left foot slightly back, do a spin to the left. One spin. And then you push out on your heel wheels and just balance there for a second and come back down. All right, so let's try that again. Kick left, step right. Kick right, step left. Spin to the left, just one spin. Push on the heel wheels, balance, back down. The count on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More or less, right? Then we're going to do a downtown to the right. So again, repeat that step as much as you need to. Pause if you need to. Next is a downtown to the right with a double pump on the right leg. So by that I mean I push the right foot forward, pull the left foot back for a 1, 2 count. Then I pull the right foot back, left foot across, step right foot out, step left foot back, step right foot out. That's the downtown. So the count on that is double pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, repeat as much as you need to, but I'm moving on to the next step. The next step is little quarter pivots. So we're going to kick the left heel out, bending that right knee, quarter pivot to the right, quarter pivot back to the left to face forward. Push the right heel out, bending that left knee, quarter pivot to the left, and then quarter pivot back to the right to face front. The count on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I like that move and the beat to the music.
To
It
the
feels
beat,
fun.
it feels fun. Also, it gets you comfortable turning both ways, which is one of the nice things about this little routine. It does a lot of that. All right, so repeat that as much as you need to. The next step is the downtown with double pump to the left. So for this one, we're pumping the left foot forward, right foot back for that 1, 2. Then pull the right foot across. Step the left foot out. Step the right foot back. Step the left foot out. The count on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so repeat that as much as you need to. I'm going to repeat the entire routine from the beginning. Deep breath, serenity now. All right, so I'm gonna count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot the spin. After the downtown, where you go like this to the left, if you want, throw in a spin to the right, just one spin. Finish it off, right? Adds a nice little flair. So all you're doing is just that double pump, cross, step, step, open, one spin, and end it. All right, so that's something to try. The song we used is Return to the Mac by Mark Morrison. So, of course, you know it's copyrighted, but it's worth it because it's got a good even beat, so it's good to practice to. So that's something y'all can use in your patio, your kitchen, tennis court, parking lot, and hopefully that's something fun for y'all. So let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.